Hey y'all, it's me, wearing my weekend project shirt, and I have just finished my weekend project, actually it's my Thursday project, because it is Thursday. Not the weekend, but it's my week off. I had these pictures done, printed on foam board, and I wanted a way to frame them without being seriously expensive. So, what I decided to do instead of getting them framed is to make a floating frame, because as you can see, ooh, hand can go behind it. And also this is floating off the wall. I was going to show you how to do it step by step, but that would take too long. And I wasn't exactly sure how to do it anyway, so I kind of just did it as I went along. But the best thing I like about this is they're Velcroed on. So I can change the picture whenever I want. So let me kind of tell you what I did to go through this. Okay. First thing I did was this piece of wood. I forget, it's plywood. I forget what the actual wood on the outside is, but it was very smooth and not quite as heavy as MDF, which would have been way too heavy, I think, to hang on the wall. But it's only about a ½ inch thick. And I had Home Depot cut it down into a sheet. I guess that's 40 inches by 40 inches, because my pictures were 30 by 30. So I wanted a nice thick border around the edge. Had them cut it and just painted it flat black. That's an exterior flat black paint. And once I did that, I mounted these brackets on there because I wanted the frame to float off the backboard a little bit, give a little dimension, a little depth. And so I really just screwed those in with basic wood screws. Got all that set up, and I thought it would be a cool idea if I could do this and change out the picture whenever I wanted. So I used those 3M Velcro sticky things, and you can pull those off whenever you want, or just leave those there, whatever. The tricky part was figuring out how to actually mount this on the wall. So I had another piece of wood cut. It's just about an 8 by 8 piece that's right in the middle there behind the wall, and you can see this is screwed right in there, and that wood is screwed into the wall using just a drywall anchor and a regular screw. It's got 3 of those in there holding that piece of wood up, and then this just held it up and drilled a bunch of holes, and then just picked a few, got it nice and level, and it stayed right on the wall. This thing is not going anywhere. So that's what I did. As you can see, let's put this back on there. There. Weekend project on Thursday.